How to find your saved password on your Google account. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find your saved password on your Google account. So there's a two type of password manager. First is your Chrome browser. If you're using the Chrome browser or any other browser, there is a every browser has a password manager, and your Google account also has a password manager. So I will show you how you can find out your saved password from your Google account. So let's start with the video. So guys, I am on my Chrome browser. So first I'm going to show you the Chrome browser or any other browser manager, password manager. You have to just go to this, right click and go to the settings, and under the settings you will see the option called the yeah, systems. One second. Yeah, in autofill you can see the password manager. So here you can see all your saved password, and you can view it by clicking this eye icon. Okay, when you click this eye icon to show password, they may ask you your computer password or mobile password. Okay, so this is for Chrome browser or browser. So I will show you now in account. So just log in with your account, or just click on it and go to the manage your account. Then your account information will be open. Now go to the security and just scroll down, and here you can see the option called password manager. So just click on it. Okay, so now here you can see I have it inside an app which I have saved my password in the account. So I can just click on any account which I want to see. For process you have to enter your current password. Okay, so after you enter password, you can see same like your browser. Now you can, if you want to see, just click on this eye icon, your password will be visible to you. Okay, so that is how you can see the your Google account password. This is the same process for the Android as per as your iOS. Thank you for watching.